Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating and reviewing the Airo brush. That was an extra crevice tool that I got with my Numatic International 200 vacuum cleaner. I did do an unboxing of that machine where I briefly demonstrated the Airo brush, but didn't really trial it out on picking up her hair, which I want to show you in this video. But if you want to see that video of the unboxing, then please click on the link at the end of this video. The Airo brush can be bought separately online for around £20 to £25, and I will leave a link in the description box if you want to check that out. It will groom the whole carpet, and it has a very powerful suction than the regular tools that you might have. The Airo brush comes in red and comes with two little wheels either side here, and this helps the tool glide smoothly across the carpets or floors. So on the reverse you've got the revolving brush, and if you remove this here you've got access to the turbine where you can remove any blockages. It's suitable for all 32mm pipes. This includes the Henry, Hetty, James, Charles and George machines. So if your machine starts its model number with 3 or 2, then this will be a 32mm machine. It is a very powerful tool for carpets, and I'm going to demonstrate that now for you. It's great for removing pet hairs. It's a high performance carpet tool. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button to see more videos, and thanks for watching. Henry, Hetty, James, Charles, George and Mildred.